Hello, brothers, sisters. Thank you again for joining me. Hope you're having a very, very beautiful day today. In this video, I wanted to just allow for us to do an exercise to practice being our true self and actually seeing from the pure awareness. Now, this is obviously going to allow your thoughts to not be around anymore. Your emotions, whatever, emotions were filtering in your day to day. This is going to allow you the opportunity to put those away and for you to truly, truly drop in peace, into pure harmony, pure balanced energy, and just be here present as your true self, as your true original state. So what we're going to do is we're going to repeat I am 10 times. Right after that, we're going to repeat I exist for another 10 times. And then we're going to take 10 deep breaths. And then we will do that 2 more times for a total of 3 times. What this is going to allow is for your attention to really, really, really sink in to your present nature, and for your mind to really, really be at rest and losing its strength and grip on your attention. So without further ado, let's just begin. I am. 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 I exist. 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 Good. I am. 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 I exist. 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 Good job. Good. I am. 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 Good. I exist. 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 Good. Awesome. So now you can do this anytime you want. Come back to this video and allow yourself to create the space. And once you create the space, your mind is going to be used against itself. But that's where you have to will it. On your day-to-day activities, you have to commit to being your true self, because it is so easy for even an enlightened person, they can go back to sleep. Every day you have to honor your presence. You have to honor with your attention, where are you going? Where is your energy being invested? And that's what you're creating. What you're perceiving is your reality, because that's what you're choosing to see. That's the information that's going to get processed for your experience, and that becomes your ultimate reality. So in this form, you allow yourself to be formless, for you to be open to the possibilities of a higher vibrating frequency, and in reality, being in real reality, and not just in the mental aspect of our way of seeing life, and our personal beliefs and personal identities and personal scope of limitations. I like to do this all the time, because sometimes you are in, I live in the city, I live in the Bay Area in California. So I'm probably one of maybe thousands here that's practicing this and being here. So I have to constantly balance not only my energy, I don't live in the woods, I don't live in a small town, I don't live, so I have to constantly be balancing my energy, and for the most part balancing the energy around me, balancing the energy in the room, in whatever atmosphere I'm in. It is always up to me and my responsibility to uphold the light and the presence. It's been that way. So I still have to honor the presence, because the field that we are in keeps bombarding us with their thoughts and their expectations of you, and you're having to filter out that energy that they're projecting towards you. So I totally understand you. And this is how you're going to strengthen your true peace, so that you can bring your most peace and integral self to every situation, for those that are willing to allow. And you don't have to go out and change anyone or anything. As so long as you are in peace, you are bringing peace to the world. As so long that you love yourself and you love this moment, you love everything. And people will resonate. People will see. And people will start to follow your attention. And honestly, just everybody gets balanced. And this is the awakening. This is how we're going to change the whole world. And we don't have to try to even change it. It is just as simple as allowing yourself to drop in. And I created this practice just so it helps me so much. So allowing it to be out there for you guys, and hopefully it is something that really, really brings a lot of benefits to you guys, and brings that clarity and that just balance in the moment, here, now. And we come to life. We are actually coming to life, to the point of where life exists. And that's where you exist. That's why I am. You are declaring that you exist. You are declaring that your attention is awake, that it is here, that it is alive. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. May all the blessings and light and abundance and just all your heart, may it bloom. May it you have full clarity, full just everything. You deserve it. We deserve it. It's happening. And continuing to practice this things of your heart, you continue to bring peace to yourself and love to the world. And I love you guys for that. Thank you guys. I love you. Namaste. Amitabah. All is love. Peace.